Hi everyone, this is Anti. Welcome to another Life and Wealth Mastery. Today is July 22nd, 2020. It's all about earnings this week. Tesla in particular is a growth stock, and a lot of people has been making a lot of money over Tesla for the last 3 months, 130%. Would you want to earn some money? I'm just going to share with you some of the technical analysis and what makes Tesla, even after the closing bell today, shot up almost over 6%. So let's go over it quickly. But before we do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on my video and subscribe. What happened to Tesla after the closing bell? It's closing at $1,585. Right after the closing bell, the stock shot up almost over 6.8%. It's right now trading at $1,500. And what do you think of Tesla? I mean, you be the judge of that. Do you know what causing this? Two things. Earning is today at 5:30, and a lot of anticipation that Tesla may go up to $2,000. And as a result of that, all the growth investors, do you think they really care if what happened to the stock price today? They are believing Tesla. They are betting on the future Tesla. So even though there's no valuation to justify the price of this stock worth at this moment, but they are believing in Tesla. So they are careless because they know they hold it for a while. This stock could go to $2,000 per share. So that's a very high possibility. But if Tesla can get to the S&P 500, you really study the S&P 500. I mean, every time a stock got into the S&P 500, it have a tendency to drop because the anticipation at the time before it get to the S&P 500 is all the price already factor in. So you may be overpaid at this moment if you're not planning to hold this stock for a long while. All right, let's go over the technical analysis for Tesla. As you can see, for the last few months, it's been doing so well. So you can look at the wedges of the triangle that we draw there. As you can see, is continue rising, okay, pushing the resistance line, pushing through it, and it keep on getting higher and higher. And everybody anticipate the earnings for today at 5:30. And let's just say if Tesla meet expectation on earnings and reporting positive earning, then it will increase its chance to get into the S&P 500, which is a big deal, right? So, but then what happened when it get there? There could be a possibility that people will cash in their stock, right? They will justify, well, it's already rising up because most of the price has already factored in that it will do well and get into the S&P 500. And what if people start to dump the stock and the price, that give pressured price downward, right? So it may drop Tesla price. So let's just say when you really have to pay attention is when it dropped down to around 1,200. Once it passed that support level, it could go down to another $1,000 per share. Okay? Yes, I understand. Tesla, very high likely to go up to $2,000 in the near future, but it could go to $1,000 too if things is going against you. Okay? So you have a 50-50 chance. For those of you who bought Tesla before the closing bell today, if around 1,500 plus, you have a 50 chance that it will go up to $2,000. Or you can have a 50 chance it could go down to 1,200 or $1,000. So it's your choice if you want to wait around to see how things going to pan out. And keep in mind, Tesla's, the majority of their revenue since 2018 or 19, selling cars, right? So I know they have other services, the battery, the solars, and all that stuff. But the vast majority of their revenues come from automobile sales. So let's not forget about that. So as an investor, what you want to focus on for earning today is the deliveries, okay? How many deliveries that Tesla were able to meet the expectation, and are they making profit at this point? If they are making profit, then that is great news for Tesla because now that's increased the chance for Tesla to get into the S&P 500. And beside from the S&P 500, it will drive the stock up. If most of the investors who really believe in Tesla, we are anticipate Tesla could go into $2,000 price mark, okay? As for me, I continue to hold my position with Tesla, but I would not buy any more as of today. I want to wait for how things are going to turn out tomorrow. Let me know your thoughts. Are you going to bullish or bearish on Tesla? Thank you so much for watching.